Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do yoga for back pain. So let's begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. To start, you're gonna have to have a block or a pillow, might do as well. And then you're going to lie down, stretching your legs out. And then you can see what part of the back you want to work on. So whether it's to center of the back or lower back, or center of the back or higher. Yeah. So, or you can work on all of the spine. So wherever the pain is, if you're not sure, then it's going to work out on all level. So for now, let's put the block under or the pillow under the lower back and roll down all the way. That's it. Now you can bend your knee. So then you will get a nice curve onto this. And it's giving a nice compression to your spine. And let's see if the pain is around that area, then it's gonna go away. We're gonna work on all the spine. So let's keep it for 10 seconds at least. And then you can come back, supporting your back with your hands. Then push the block slightly up, not need to be so high. Let's work slowly. And then roll one more time, all the way down. Keep your chin tucked slightly. You can have your hand either by the side, on your stomach, or above your head. And then, again, support with your hands and come back up. And then bring the block or pillow slightly more higher and roll yourself back. Again, wherever your hands is comfortable. Support your back with your hands, come back up and push the pillow or block slightly higher. Hands either above the head or by the side. That's good. Support and come back. Remove the block and lie down onto your back. Stretch your legs out. Shake your legs a little bit. And then bend your knees. Hold ankles or palm flat on the ground. And then slowly lifting your hips up. Rolling your shoulders down. Lifting the hips up. Rolling the shoulder down. Keep doing that until you are nice higher. And then if possible, bring your hands under your back, supporting your lower back. Let go, close your eyes and relax. Should give a huge help for your back pain by doing this pose. And come down whenever you need. You can hold for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, up to you. Stretch your legs out. Now guys, you need to consult with your consultant, doctor, whoever is your physician, consult with them and see what is the problem in your back, right? Because not all the pose can be done for your back pain, because we don't know what is happening into your back. For me, I'm gonna have to do this pose, which help my back really nice, give nice stretch into my back. So if it helps you, go ahead, do it. Otherwise, skip this pose. Bring your hand wherever you want. Can bring it up. If you have scoliosis, will also be helpful doing this pose in this way. Come down, come back to the center, change leg, and also see how you're feeling when you're doing this pose. If this pose is doing great, you should feel good. If not doing good, it will start to give you discomfortness, and you can stop the practice. Come back, straight your leg out. And we're going to do slight forward bend by bending your both knees, hug the legs and bend to the side, rocking your back, giving massage nicely to your back. And give a bit stretch to your spine, to your back by lifting your head up, touching your forehead to the knee. Of course, you don't have to touch your forehead to the knee if it's not possible. As soon as you bend this way and you feel nice stretch onto your back, that's good enough. If you can touch your forehead to the knee, go ahead. That's good. Come down and turn to the right. Sit up and bend your knees. Then open your knees wider and bring your feet away from your buttocks, both sides. So you make sure your buttocks are on the ground now, the sitting bones. And hold with your hand this way. Bring your elbow on the ground. Support your back with your hand this way. Now make sure to move your hip up and down. And after that, roll all the way down. And bring your hands above your head this way. And rest. Close your eyes. Let your back have gentle massage by giving this pose, by doing this asana. Once you're ready, once you're done with this pose, bring your hands onto your leg, support with your hand and leg, push your elbows into the ground and come back up. Go back into Vajrasana. Open your knees one more time, wider. And then going to go forward, but this time we are going to place both palms like this, making the fist, and relaxing the forehead onto your fist. Gently come back up. And bring your hands on the ground. Bring your knees slightly back so that your hands are under the shoulders, knees are under the hips. We're going to give nice massage and stretch to your spine by rocking to the side, loosening up the back. And then we're going to stretch in the cat pose, in the cat stretch. So inhale, stretching the spine all the way you can without feeling tension. You're only doing it as much as it's comfortably you can. So not pushing more than your limit. Exhale, bringing your chin towards the chest, stretching your back, compressing your spine by inhaling in and arching your back. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, compress. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, compress. And exhale, stretch. Roll down, stay in child pose slightly, and relax. For me also it helps doing the pose this way, the child pose. You're bringing the hand under and stretching as much as you can. Of course, stay in the limits. Both sides. Great. Come back. Sit up. So that was the yoga for the back pain. I hope practicing this will help your back to release the back pain and also improve it so that next time you don't get this pain. But make sure before doing any exercise that I'm showing in this video that you're consulting with your consultant, with your physicians before you commencing doing any practice. So comment below and let me know how it's going, if it's helping you. And thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.